Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, and today I'm going to show you how to unlock any iPhone without the passcode. As you can see here, there's a huge trend of videos showing how to unlock the iPhone without a passcode. There's literally thousands of them. There's tens of thousands of them. I think there's hundreds of thousands of them. They're endless. They also seem to get a lot of views. We got Wolfie getting 38 million. We got this dude getting 490k, 666k, 51k, 2.3 million, 1.6 million. Even MrBeast made a video on this. Let's take a look at that. So in MrBeast's video, he kind of breaks down the trend. Is there any legitimacy to these how to unlock your iPhone without a passcode videos? And he watches like 6 or 7 videos, and basically they're all the same thing.
And for every video I react to that doesn't work, I'm gonna smash the laptop. Alright, well it looks like this doesn't work. None of those are a feature on an iPhone, so basically I made a video titled How to Unlock Any Phone. Doesn't work for an iPhone. Will they ever work? What?
Basically it doesn't work. It's all fake. It's just people trying to get views. And MrBeast talks about how it's all fake, how it's just a trend to get views. And basically it's something that the algorithm just keeps adjusting. So then basically he just goes on in his video to say that he's just here to take advantage of that as well.
In fact, it's even more ironic that I'm going to use a video where I talk about these people lying so I can lie in the title and get a bunch of views.
So he's going to use all of those people for views, and then I'm going to use him for views. So I'm using him and all of those people for views. So MrBeast, thank you very much. Yours is one of my favorites in this category. Along with How To Basic. I think How To Basic has the best video in this category. But in conclusion, guys, it's not real. You can't just unlock people's phones, whether it's an iPhone or an Android. These are massive companies. I think Apple was even worth $1 trillion at one point. You think they're just gonna let people get phones that they can easily be unlocked? No, it's not gonna happen. That's not a real thing. That's a security risk. Like, I don't know why people just think they could unlock someone else's phone because of a tutorial video on YouTube. It's not gonna work. I mean, if there is a hack and it's found, it might work for like a day or something, but then Apple's gonna patch it, and then the video is gonna be irrelevant. So yeah, it's fake. It's clickbait. Everybody got clickbait. All these hundreds of thousands of videos are clickbait. Welcome to YouTube, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Hit that subscribe button. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay, don't blame your problems on the past. Go hard, go hard, go hard. You might win. Don't blame your problems on the past, 'cause that'll make you come and last. So go hard.